Hi everyone, in today's tutorial I'll guide you how you can create Instagram page. For that, just open the Instagram app and make sure you have logged in into the account you want to make the page of the Instagram, and then you will see on the bottom right corner the profile icon. Just tap on it and then you'll be guided to this page where on the top right corner you can see the three horizontal lines. Just tap on it and then tap on setting in privacy option. Just need to scroll down where you will find account type and tools option. Just tap on it and then you will see switch to professional account option. Just you need to tap on it. After that you just need to tap on the continue, and after that here the Instagram will suggest what best describes you for making the Instagram page. Here are the option like artist, musician, blogger, clothing community, digital creator, and so on, that best suits you for making any page on the Instagram. For now, since I am a video creator, so I'm tapping into the video creator option, and after that I will tap on the done option. You need to wait until 30 seconds to finish creating your professional account. And after that you are guided into this page where you need to choose whether it is a creator page or a business page. So you can just tap into any one and choose what you want to create first. So tap on next now. After that, here are the changes to your safety setting. So you need to tap on OK. On this page, you are asked to share logins using account center. So if you want to do, then tap on continue, or if you want to skip this, then you can tap on not now option. After that, you are guided to this page where you need to complete the sixth step to make your Instagram account into professional account. Here on the first step, just you are asked to complete your profile. Just tap on it and then you need to add your profile photo, name, username, bio, and any link you want to. After that, the second step is get inspiration. You need to follow other business or creator to see how they share content and engage with their audiences. From here, you can just scroll down and follow down to see how they share content. Next is how you can grow your audiences. You can just invite friends by WhatsApp, invite friends by SMS, invite your friends by email, or invite by different other method also. Another is introducing yourself. So you can create a post here and introduce yourself by tapping into create a post option. After that, here is explore tool and insight option. Here you can go to insight and go to add tools also, so that you can grow your brand on the Instagram. And the next one and the last one is to tell your goals. So here Instagram is asking what would you like to see more of: reach, media engagement, shop engagement, messages, leads, website visits, call, text, email, etc. You need to select your top two and then tap on the next. On the below you will find the option. After you've completed the 6 steps, then your professional account will be set up. So this was it guys. If you found this video useful, then don't forget to hit the like button, and if you are new to my channel, then subscribe it for more tutorial videos.